Hey everyone, a few people sent me some emails and I just wanted to make a video to clarify all the questions regarding the end of the semester and the final. Okay, so exam 2 grades are posted now, as well as the solutions for exam 2. The solutions for exam 1 are, have always been up under the exam 1 module as well. Okay, use those to study for the final because the final is cumulative, which means it's on the entire semester. Now, because we haven't had any tests yet on exponentials and logarithms, it will be weighted more heavily towards that. So it'll be about half a test worth of exponentials and logs, and then the other half of the test is stuff from exam 1 and exam 2. Okay. There will not be a one giant skill set because you already have skill sets for the other 2 exams. I will put up a few sheets just on exponentials and logarithms, but there won't be one giant final review. Okay. If you ever have questions, you're always welcome to come and see me. I am based on the Larimer campus, and I work in the Help Center from 9 to 11, Monday through Thursday. Okay. Otherwise, feel free to call, stop by office hours, Sundays at 9 p.m. Right, there's a link on the D2L announcements. Okay. And in terms of grades, if you are not happy with your grade, note that for online math, the final does replace your lowest exam score. So if you did not do that well, either on exam 1 or exam 2, you still have a large chance to change your grade. Okay, so you still have a lot of time left to improve it, to turn it around, do a 360. Okay. If you have questions, again, on any homeworks or while you're studying, send me an email to my Front Range email. That's the fastest way to get an answer. In terms of what we have left, we have homework and quizzes this week. Next week you have off because it is Thanksgiving, and then we have one more week of homework and quizzes. Okay, and the week after that will be mostly for the final and one last discussion before the semester ends. Hope that answered all of your questions. If there's anything that I did not answer about the end of class or the final, please feel free to send me an email, and have a nice night.